since we are a true design build, meaning the architects and engineers are within our building and not some other third-party firm that we've partnered with to go after or to pursue this project, we can go down the hallway and ask for their advice and have that coordination throughout the process.
Yeah, justly, there's been an uptick in the popularity of the design build method. And what Bud's talking about is firms appealing to the method instead of what we are. And you just lose, you have to lose efficiency there. You're not, just by proximity and familiarity, you have to lose efficiency. It's logical to me that you would.
I would say too, talk to our clients when deciding a design build contractor to go with. A number of our clients, all of our clients, I think, have said to me, anytime you want an owner to come through here, a prospective owner to come through, I'm happy to give them a tour of the space and talk about the relationship and the process with Oliver Construction. And that speaks volumes. When you are trying to decide which firm to go with, you can't go wrong with speaking with the clients that Oliver's worked with in the past, at the very least. And I think you're going to like what you hear.
Yeah, I'd agree. And, if you're considering design build or a more traditional approach, I would say it costs you nothing to come in and meet our team or have us come out and meet with you, with a project manager, an executive, an architect, a structural engineer, and see if you like us. And if you don't, best of luck. There's plenty of talented teams out there, but I think we've got one of the better ones in the States.
Yeah, I have a client who just came to me recently, and they bought a building that they would like to do a tenant improvement on and create a restaurant space and catering space out of. Now, being Oliver, I'm talking to the client, know what their budget is up front, and I can bring a structural engineer and an architect that costs the client nothing to that first initial meeting. And the client can talk about their vision throughout the space, what they want to achieve, and we've got the whole team there understanding the budget, the constructability, the schedule, and the design and structural implications throughout that project. And that's pretty unique in the industry of having all of that in your literally initial scope meeting.
Yeah, you're not having the same conversation twice, right? You're not playing catch up. A lot of the main professionals are in that initial meeting.
I would suggest that make sure they are a legit design build company. There's been a trend over the last 5 to 10 years where you're going to get separate architects and separate builders that team up to battle against other design build. We're a legit design build. Everybody's in-house. You get all the relationships we talked about. And the trend is we're actually competing sometimes with people that say they're design build, but there's a big difference in that they're still going to take the same amount of time to do the architectural work because they're a separate architecture firm. They're not going to establish the relationships that we establish, almost family-like relationship with even our trades. And they're going to move on from that to another project, and then they'll be back to their old bid spec routine. So the advice would be is make sure that the design build firm like Oliver is representing you.